This video will demonstrate how to use the playback controls to control the reading functions within the read and write program. There are 5 universal controls, each of which are represented by the following icons: play, pause, stop, forward, and rewind. These controls can be found on various preset toolbars, including speech, reading, writing, and research. In this video, the speech toolbar has been loaded. The speech engine is first configured in the settings menu to speak specific units of text. These units are an individual word, sentence, or paragraph. When checked, the continuous reading setting will automatically speak the next unit once the current selection has been spoken. In this first example, we will ask the program to speak individual words. Start by placing the cursor at the beginning of a section to be read aloud and click on the play icon.
How?
After that unit has been read, the program will automatically stop. Click play to hear that unit read again.
How?
Click forward to move to the next unit of text.
Read.
Click rewind to move back to the previous unit.
How?
Now we will go back into the settings and change the unit of reading to sentence. The program will now read individual sentences. Click play to have the sentence spoken.
How read and write works.
Click pause to pause the speech. Click play to resume speech.
Read and write works in conjunction with other applications.
Click forward to move to the next sentence.
On its own, it has no functionality.
Click rewind to go back to the previous sentence.
Read and write works in conjunction with other applications.
Finally, we will check the continuous reading box. Click play to have the sentence spoken.
Read and write works in conjunction with other applications. On its own, it has no functionality.
Notice that the program will automatically read the next sentence. To stop the speech, click the stop icon.